How to report a missing Adidas package. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. If your Adidas package is missing, you need to report it probably to Tracking Plus customer support, and here is the exact process for that. So let's just get started. So for that, we can start by going to a browser and going to adidas.com and opening it up. And if you're not logged in, you can also log in into your account first. Once we are here, we can look out for our orders. In the top right corner, we can find an orders and return section. We can click on it. And from the section, we can just head over and look out for the order tracker and this one right here. Check the status of your order. We can click on it and we can enter the order number here, provide in your order number, and right below it the email that we used to purchase. After that, you can select this option of track and order and click on continue, and that will tell you if it's still shipping delayed or marked as delivered, and Adidas recommends tracking first before reporting a missing package. After that, once you have double checked the delivery status, what we can do is if it's still missing, we can contact the Adidas support. So we can scroll down and go to the footer section here, and here we'll be finding different options available. So here we can just go over and look out for the option called help and click on it. And once we click on it, here we'll be finding different options and we can get help with our orders. So we can click on this option called login. And here we can verify our identity first. Go ahead and use your login method. And you may report them from the section, find the specific order and contact them. Otherwise, look out for this chat option in the bottom right and click on it, and we can directly contact them through the chat. So in this section, after we start the chat, we just need to provide in the order number, the tracking number. So go ahead and provide it in this box and the description if it's not delivered or missing after delivery. And you can just go over and contact them. And that way, they should probably help you out. And to increase your chances of refund or placement, make sure you have the screenshot of the tracking status and the photos of the delivery area, and that should also help you out. And that's it. So for now, we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.